Wala pong kwenta ang buhay kapag you depend on wealth and possessions. Ecclesiastes 12:13. Now all has been heard. Here is the conclusion of the matter. Ito yung ending, in finality, in summary. Ito yung summary talaga ng buhay. Now all has been heard. Here is the conclusion of the matter. Fear God and keep His commandments. For this is the duty of all mankind. Ito pala yung summary. Ito pala yung conclusion. Katulad ko, sabi ni Solomon, I have obtained everything. Ang yaman ko walang kwenta. I have golds and silver. Grabe, ang tindi ni Solomon. Pinakamayamang nabuhay sa balat ng lupa. Pero sabi niya, walang kwenta. Anong realization niya on the last chapter? This is the summary. This is the conclusion of life. Without God, without knowing God, without revering God, everything is meaningless. Ano ibig sabihin nun? If you want to have a meaningful life, teka, baka nakalimutan mong isama ang importante. Kasama mo dapat ang Diyos sa buhay mo.